Lovely. Hi, I'm Ray, and this is my gardening channel. And we're in December, and there's still a few gardening jobs to do at the allotment on December. Mainly housekeeping, a lot of tidying, digging, a bit of weeding. But one job I need to do in the polytunnel is to sort out my grape. It's now started to lose its leaves, and we need to give it a bit of a prune. So we're going to give this a prune, and we're going to take away the side shoot that's coming out the end here, and also a side shoot coming out this way. We don't need those, and that can keep the vine from travelling along the top of the polytunnel. We're just collecting up all the other old leaves. And we're going to take some of the smaller vines that are coming off the side here. There we go. All looking good. It's also a good opportunity to collect up all the brown leaves, and this will stop disease from being left in the soil. And that can go on the compost heap. So if you didn't prune your gooseberries, blueberries or currant bushes last month, then this can also be done in December. Removing around a third of the older wood on black currants. So you can continue digging during December as long as your plot isn't waterlogged or frozen. If the soil sticks to your feet, then it's too wet. Either dig using a plank, stood on a plank, or just leave it for another day. So cover your beds with polythene, as long as they're not waterlogged. It's not too late to spread sheets to keep the heavy rain off the soil and suppress weeds. It helps keep the soil warm and ready for early sowing and planting next year. So December's also a good time to lift up all your winter veg. That's all right. So plant your new bare root trees or bushes now. Prepare the ground by clearing the weeds and digging in plenty of rotten manure or compost. December is now the last chance for planting young bare root peaches and nectarines. So garlic can still be planted if you're in a mild climate. We're here down south and we can still plant it. We can still get away with it. Otherwise it's best just to wait till February or March. So the rhubarb should be dormant. So we can sow these, or plant new sets, or divide and replant the old crowns. But they don't like being waterlogged though. And remember, if you're building any polytunnels or any structures, remember to anchor them down well. Otherwise they will fly, and these have certainly moved from right at the other end of the allotment plot. So with your apple and pear trees, unless it's really cold, then we can continue pruning out the leaves, any broken or any damaged or any diseased leaves, they can be pruned. So, thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. It's a bit of a wet day today, so we're staying indoors. So what are your jobs for December? Let me know in the comments, I'd be interested to see. So, thank you very much, and we wish you all a happy Christmas, and a happy New Year, and happy holidays, and we'll see you for the Christmas Eve reveal of the vegetables, so we'll look out for that. So thank you very much, cheers for now.